Good morning. I'm Barry Sheerman. I'm the Member of Parliament for Huddersfield, but I chair the Parliamentary Group on Gas Safety. And I've got a great concern with carbon monoxide poisoning. We've had this 11th year of raising the profile, but it is a silent killer. It's killed my constituents, kills people in this country and abroad every year. So please, have your appliances checked. Make sure that you've got a good monitor that tells you if there is a seepage of carbon monoxide in your home. Have one when you go on holiday in a caravan, a tent, or even if you visit another country. Take a mobile one. Stay safe. Don't let this horrible killer become a killer in your family. Thank you.